everyone, so I finished my album. This album is Prima album. This is 8 by 8 size, and this is my cover page. I have used my handmade flowers, but in the kit there are some flowers and these fussy cut flower images on the back, and this time magia window is there. So this is our front, and then I'll flip through all the pages. Side is very simple. I don't have a closure, and back side I have used some of the fussy cut images and some of my die cut. It is pretty good straight album, so I don't think I need any closure, but if you want, I have added some seam binding so you can use for closure. So let's open it. So first page, first two pages, and I use so many tags there, so tags template is included in the kit if you want to follow this tutorial. And this opens like that. It's pretty simple page for bigger pictures. This album is specifically for pictures, so you can use more pictures in this album. It's very simple, easy yet elegant album. You can see that. Backside I kept it black. Anyway, we are using or putting some pictures here, so I don't want to use any other papers, but if you want, you can layer them with designer paper or whatever you want here. And it has the magnets, so they stick properly. Here also you can put the pictures. This page we have this gate chipboard, and it has a magnet. This one has a magnet, so these two are closure for this page. It opens like that, and it has a beautiful these fussy cut flowers, you can see, and it opens like that. And here also you can put some picture. It's enough space here, and it's open. I kept everything inside part in black color. They look pretty. If I put so many papers, then these pages will not pop up. That's what I am thinking. And these two pages, you can put the pictures here, but this looks elegant, so small pictures will work. And then when you open, you have two flaps for pictures, one big page for picture. It's very beautiful page. And then we have used two magnets, so they are secure. Then we will move on to next two pages. So next two pages, here is some like a tuck-in spot I have created. You can see you can tuck in your pictures here or any tag or anything. And this one has a magnet, and this page will open. This whole page is for picture, and there are two large pages for big pictures. I didn't cover it. I'm planning to put two big pictures here, so this is the page looks like. And then next page, it has a tag also, and you can see all these cute fussy cut flowers. They gives really cute touch to this album. And they are, since they are flat, they are not bothering to other pages. If you put 3D flowers, they stick to other page and they make a mark and they get flattened. So since this album is ready-made album, Prima album, it has very less space here to put the 3D flowers and 3D embellishments. But if you are making your own album, you can keep 1 inches or 3/4 inches gap in there, and you can use anything, whatever you want. This one opens like that, and it has a space to put the picture. And then this flap open like that, picture and pictures. So this close like this. Then next two pages, you can see beautiful elegant tags here, some fussy cut here. And when you open this one, everything has a magnet, you can see. When you open, you will have two more tags. The big space is for picture, these are for pictures, of course. Back side you can see these two tags are for picture, this big page is for picture, and it closes like that. And this page also open like that. And for this tag back side, there is one pocket here, and this page opens like that. So you can put 3 pictures, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So this space is for whole 5 pictures. And when you insert this tag, this thing has a gap here, so I put some foam dots here, so it creates a gap, and when you tuck in it, this page automatically close. But we also have a magnet here, so it stick properly. And you have to just make sure this also go back properly, and this, so just press these two sides nice and tight, and then tuck this tag so it will stay nice. So this page I kept it like that. I love this wood grain effect, and this is just big picture. And so on this page you can see 2 tags and 2 envelopes, and this space is like tuck in spot, you can tuck the pictures in. And when you open this side, you have a space for picture, then this envelope. So this envelope I just kept it wide open, so you can see this huge big space is for a picture, and you can see the envelope I just kept it like that, all sides. So this will look like that. You can write things here or small cute pictures here and here also. And then you close this thing, and it has a magnet, so it stick properly. Magnet is right here, so when you close this it stays nice. And then the other side there is a tag. When you open this tag again, this space is, these are like twin pages, they are identical, so you can see right. I'll just put it here. So on the back there is a similar thing, and then it goes like that, and magnet will take care of this. And for next page I have created a pocket, so you can put leftover tags, some scrap pages, or lot additional pictures there. And you can see I have used chipboard here, very cute. And if you want, you can just insert a picture right there. It's a really cute spot for picture. And when you open this tag, this tab, then you will have another page. And there is a pocket, you can see I already put one of the big leftover decorative piece, and this closed like that. And then on the other side, this page is a really cute page, I love it. You can see all the beautiful flowers right there. And this part again, another tuck-in spot, you can tuck the picture right there, or use a big huge picture there. And this tab is opening like that, and once you open there is another page behind, and this big page is for picture, big picture. Then there are some scrap pages here. I have created a pocket, and when you close it, and you can insert so many pictures, leftover pictures there. And it's closed like that and that. So this looks so cute. And then for next page, I have created two large tags here, and you can see the beautiful these fussy cutouts. So cute, right? And I have used some stickle, you can see right there. It's amazing. It's just some stickle fall off, but they look so cute, right? And I'll open it. Here you also can use any picture if you want to, like that. And here also there is a tuck-in spot, so you can put some pictures there. And then I created a waterfall behind that, so when you open you will have a waterfall here. So I kept it in a black color, and I just kept it open so you can use this space for larger picture. But if you want, you can stick this part and create a belly band, like you can just tuck like things here to there. People usually use a belly band for the waterfall, but I just kept it open. And here is a huge space on the back of this tag where you can put the larger picture. And similar thing I have created there, so this is also another identical page, so you can see the same thing. Very pretty page, this one. And then our last two pages. So for this page I just kept it simple. This is a big page since I love these flowers and I don't want to hide behind something, so I have created just a corner right there. So you can see I have used one of the fussy cut flower there, and you can use this corner for pictures. And for this page I have another tag here, you can see right there. And when you open this page there is a flap, so you can use this for larger picture. And there is a pocket here, so you can keep some pictures right there. And there is another pocket behind here, you can see right there. And you can even use this part for a picture. There is a tuck-in spot right there, right? So I'm so happy with this album. I hope you liked it, all these pages. And after this video I am uploading my tutorial videos. And that is it. This is the beautiful album. I have created this album using Rose Days collection by Scrap and Me, so you can see one more time. And stay tuned for the tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.